Hey guys, so I was just watching a video on the internet, and it's like AI is growing very fast, and we have seen in last past 2 years that uh, now AI can be packaged and used. Uh, s- sorry, AI can be packaged and sold to us individuals, and we can also have a general access to the AI right now. But and so the companies who have made these AIs, that is well, the most famous AI is OpenAI's ChatGPT, but also like bigger companies and small companies, whoever is in these AI games for a long time, they are also trying to regulate this space very much. They are trying to bring about the rules for guiding these AIs, and and that's fine and that's all right. But from what I understand about AI, we have been using AI and machine learning algorithms for a while now, right? Because I don't think there is a there is something that is different that is being used for predicting the next videos on YouTube Shorts or the next videos on YouTube Reels. They are AI and machine learning algorithm, as far as I understand. I still have to deep dive into it, but they are AI, or you can say machine learning algorithms, very huge algorithms that predict what we it is going to show us next. And think about it, when they were using all this and they developed it, it was an AI too, right? And it was for them, for an organization, and they never regulated it. And it's like because it was helping them, generate profit or whatever. And I guess the next AI will too, but it's like for some reason, I mean, for obvious reason, they didn't like try to regulate it, because obviously it was helping them to gain more users on the platform and help them increase the user use time or watch time of the platforms, and which in conclusion helps them earn more money or whatever. But that's an interesting thing, right? they we were never we never talked about it, and like suddenly AI is creeping into our life, but it has been there for a while, right? And these people who are making these AIs never try to regulate those algorithms, like maybe be little less suggestive of what I should watch next, or maybe pick up on the wrong things. But I don't know how those can be regulated. Maybe they can't be regulated because they are designed for this purpose of suggesting the next best video out there for me to watch on their platform. And that's a bit odd, right? If everything is optimized around me to give my time to them, then what I'm gonna be left with, like, and where are the regulations there? And well, as I am from India, and a lot of us are who spend the time on the internet from countries like India, Spain, Spanish speaking countries. I'm sorry, I'm just saying Spanish because that's, I guess, the second largest language being spoken on the platform. So like, I saw the data. I still have to fact check it, but yeah. Um, like that's uh, that's something to think about. Like we are giving so much time. Like my watch time on my phone for YouTube is was I don't know. It's been some times since I have been spending a lot of time. Like it's been some time, I guess, about some months where I haven't spent more than 2 hours on YouTube. I used to spend like 5 to 7 hours. So like in comparison, it's relatively That's, and it would be different for different people, right? For the people who are working, they might not be spending as much time on YouTube, and for people or for kids who are just like who have time, they might be just getting into the loop of watching YouTube shorts and realizing somehow they have spent like 5 hours on it. So yeah, so my whole point is it's kind of bullshit, because countries like India and other countries, other developing nations, we are not going to develop. I mean, there are so many things other than focusing on digital policies in our countries to be focused upon, and we are not going to ever think about developing a digital policy for its uses, and that is going to hurt us in long term, because that just says that we don't understand these platforms. But I guess this is something to think about, right? And that's a weird thing I've been noticing. I've been hearing so much about AI regulations, and I was like, uh, it's cool that they are regulating the AI for the masses, and we won't like it will be they will be setting new rules of how AI can be implemented at an industrial level, but nobody regulated the AI when the large corporation was using it, to power their algorithms. And now all of a sudden, when we are going to have access to it, they want to regulate it. I mean, all right. So yeah, that was my rant about it. I don't know. It's a stupid rant.